Hey everyone, welcome. Need to move your BNB from the Binance exchange to your Web3 wallet? Or whether you're using it for DeFi staking or just want self-custody, here's a quick and clear guide. So we are starting by opening the Binance app and logging into your account, of course. From the home page, select Wallets and then select Spot to see your BNB balance. Tap on BNB, then hit Withdraw. Next, it'll ask for recipient's address. Open your Binance Web3 wallet or any other non-custodial wallet you use. Tap Receive and copy your BNB address. Make sure it's on the BNB Smart Chain network and not BEP2, so it has to be BEP20. Paste the wallet's address back in Binance. Select BNB Smart Chain BEP20 as the network. Enter the amount of BNB you want to send. Double check the wallet's address and network. Tap Withdraw, go through the verification codes and confirm. Your BNB will usually arrive in your Web3 wallet under a minute. And that's it. You've successfully moved your BNB from Binance to your Web3 wallet. And for more crypto tutorials, guys, and wallet guides, be sure to follow and subscribe.